Hello, everybody. Dave here. Now, every year we do get asked how to make Christmas and the holiday period just that little bit healthier because, of course, it is a time of indulgence. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you want to enjoy yourself, food, drinks, they are there to be enjoyed. Of course, that doesn't always mean eat everything in sight, like I did once or twice in my younger days. And for some people, it can mean having a little bit more self control or at least being a little bit more thoughtful about what they eat. So, with that in mind, I have come up with 5 recipes that will help you eat a little healthier over the Christmas period. Of course, healthy can mean different things to different people. For us, it generally means a bit lower in fat, a bit higher in protein, often lots of fiber and veggies as well. So, let's see what we've got for you. First up, we've got the classic mac and cheese, and is our slightly healthier version. This actually uses cottage cheese in there, if you can believe it. So it has a massive protein whack. But in my humble opinion, it tastes just as good as ever. I really love this dish. I always get cravings for it around this time of year, and I hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. Next up, we have the festive apple and breakfast bake. Of course, this time of year, lots of people also like to bake, and that's awesome. I also enjoy it, especially with the kids. Otherwise, I'm not that much of a baker, but when I know the kids are interested and they want to eat it as well, then I do that very happily with them. Now, our festive bake is a little bit different. Instead of just flour, we use a mix of oats and flour to get some extra oaty goodness in there. And we use a low-fat yogurt, and this actually makes it really fluffy and moist, and packs a load more protein in there. So it fills you up a little bit, and you don't feel the need for quite such a big portion. So you have this kind of built-in portion control. Enjoy. Next up, honey roasted carrots and parsnips. A classic, of course. We spice, I suppose you could say, ours up a little bit with some extra protein. That is a low fat feta cheese crumbled in there, and with some pomegranate seeds as well. Again, for some extra nutrients. I mean, this is a pretty awesome dish overall, to be honest. It tastes absolutely fantastic. And it has all this extra nutrition or nutritional goodness thrown in there as well. So, really, what is not to like? Number 4, we are on to our healthy protein baked oats. Now, this was a recipe that went massive on TikTok a year or so ago, and for good reason. It's very, very tasty and very cool and fun to make. I mean, look at that, it's delicious. Of course, as always, our version is a little bit healthier. It has a bit less fat, a bit more protein, and lots of fruit. So, again, what is not to like about that? This one, yeah, it's a great Christmas dish or winter dish. I do highly recommend giving it a go. And finally, we have our quick white bean spread, otherwise known as vegan pate. Now, pate is something that I stopped eating well before I even turned vegetarian 10 years ago, when I found out how it was made. And pate is truly awfully made. So, of course, when I heard there was a vegan version available, I tested and tried it and tried it and tested it and came up with this beast. It is really, really tasty. It's a perfect starter or appetizer to a meal. And because it has lots of beans in it, it's full of protein. There's also a lot of fiber in there, so it'll keep you nice and full. So that's it, guys. Try these swaps for a healthier Christmas period. Each of these recipes comes with my seal of approval. Make one of these, and I promise it will be a success. If you do need any more help, we've got a healthy 7-day veggie high protein meal plan waiting for you. It's in the link below. That's totally free. If you want it, grab it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.